So this morning we got consumer inflation numbers. It's the one of two-part series we're going to get this week. So today we got the consumer inflation. Tomorrow we got producer inflation. How are those going to affect these things over here? That's what we're going to talk about in today's discussion. Well, today the economic news that came out was the consumer inflation came in. We're going to go over those reports here in a second, but this is actually what happened to the bond market. The bond market got crushed today. So we're going to look at this and also the stock market. It's basically red across the board here other than NASDAQ, which is up because of NVIDIA. We're going to go over why the markets were down today, even with better than expected, I guess, or on point inflation numbers on the consumer level. So let's get to today's news, folks. My name is Dan Frio. I actually do this report twice a day to inform you guys what's going on with those over there and specifically the whys behind it. So here's what happened today. Over the past 2 weeks, we got some information about tariffs and not a lot of information, and we got the big, beautiful tax bill that finally passed. So now what we're looking at is where's inflation going from here because of tariffs. So tariffs, they're supposed to really increase the inflation numbers. So what we want to focus in on is how bad are they going to get? So what we got today was consumer inflation numbers. I wish we would have got the producer inflation numbers that we're going to get tomorrow beforehand, because if you think of inflation coming into our economy, it's because of tariffs. Okay, so why are they going to be, or where are they going to start? On the producer side. So if producer prices start to go up, then you pretty much can say that the consumer prices are going to go up. But the reporting, how it comes out, is we get consumer prices first, and then we get producer prices. So let's get over the specifics we got today to see why the markets might have reacted to this. And tomorrow, what are my thoughts on the PPI, and what if they come in better than expected, and what if they come in worse than expected? So let's get over to it.